Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now in this video I'll be showing you guys how I got my nails to look like these in just under $90. Like, it wasn't even $90 to be honest, and that's $90 Canadian. I'm like pushing it when I say $90. It's literally like 70 the most. But if you guys want to see how I end up getting this look, the product that I use, the method that I use, and the entire process, then definitely keep on watching.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one.
Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys the products that you need, product and tools or whatever that you need to get this look. So I have my tips and they're from BTART nails, I think that's what they're called. I will be putting the link down below, but everything that I got or everything I'll be using in this video is from Amazon, so I will definitely link everything down below. So the press-ons are from Amazon. You also need the UV LED lamp, which you're going to use to obviously dry your nails. You're going to need some top coat, and the top coat that I use the UV top coat, the one that you will need the lamp to dry. It says on the box of the press-ons that you need to use that top coat and not like the regular one, so that's why I got one from Amazon. It wasn't expensive, I think it was like $11, but again I'll put everything down below. Then you're gonna need the buffer to buff your nails, the nail cuticle thing to push your cuticles back. Then you're going to need your alcohol to wipe it off. So those are the tools, and obviously the glue. I just forgot to add the glue. But anyways, this is the lamp. The lamp needs to be plugged in, so I thought it was like you could have used it without it being plugged in, but no, it has to be plugged in while you're using it. So make sure to do your nails beside like an outlet or whatever, a plug outlet. So these are the nails, and I think I got 150 pieces if I'm not mistaken, so you could use, reuse, and you have a lot comes in the box for $30 something. But anyways, I'm just going ahead right now and I'm buffing my nails, just because I had some press-on nails before, so I had glue on my nail and that, so I'm just buffing all of that away. Then I'm going to go in with my cuticle tool, the little thing that you use to push your cuticles back, and then I'm gonna wipe it off with some alcohol. But it's like a little mini napkin, but it's an alcoholic napkin. Not alcoholic, what's it called? The napkin that has alcohol on it. Yeah, you get what I'm saying. So next you're going to go in and pretty much just measure up the nails with your nails and get your nails like prepped and ready. So what I do is I just go in and I measure all my nails and I just break off the 2 matching nails and put them to the side. I did that for all 10 fingers because I wanted to just get that out the way, so when I'm going in to like glue them on, it's no going back and forth of like measuring again and doing the process all over again. So I just measure all my nails, take off the ones that go together, and then glue them all together when I'm done. So I feel like right here I don't really need to explain what I'm doing. I'm pretty much just using the glue, put some on my nail, and then I'm going to go in with the press-on nail just to pretty much attach it to my fingers. I don't really need to explain that because it's literally self-explanatory. So I'm going to let you guys watch as I pretty much just glue all my nails. Also, I kept the wipe that had the alcohol on it just so I could clean around my cuticles whenever the glue like tend to like go over on my cuticles. But like I said, there's nothing outside the norm that I had to explain, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch as I glue my press-ons.
together. Oh, get it together. Get it together. I don't really wanna stay. I don't really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Oh, get it together. Get it together.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase.
And just to let you guys know what I'm doing, I'm pretty much just applying the top coat now, and then I'm going to put my fingers under the lamp. Again, if you're going to use the UV gel top coat, you definitely will need the lamp to dry, because it would not dry just by air alone. Also, they did recommend on the box that you actually use the UV gel on the nails itself. But if you want to go ahead and use like the regular top coat, that's on you. But I recommend you just following the instructions that's on the box, so you can get the full potential of your press-on nails. But that's pretty much all I'm doing right now, just applying my UV gel top coat and then placing my fingers under the lamp so they can dry.
Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me. You might have to run for this can't be the first time. We might have to run for this different. Looking for some things that I've never. You got that shit with somebody but love for the bonfire. How much you might have to for this can't be your first time. Looking for some things that I've never can find. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Why is this so for me? Oh yeah, just
So this is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I got all my products from Amazon and I will definitely link them down below. This video is not sponsored by any means. I bought all the products by myself, so this was not a sponsored video. And I'm telling you guys, I am absolutely in love. Like, who's gonna tell me I did not go to the salon? Like, oh. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys next time.